Hello, this is Norm McKay introducing our certified pre-owned car of the week. This week features our
2021 Lexus RC300. This atomic silver RC has only 15,225 miles and has been marked down to sell at only $43,491. This rear-wheel drive 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged i4 and receives a combined fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of these vehicles' features include intuitive park assist, F-Sport heated and ventilated front seats, and a 10.3-inch navigation display equipped with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.
All Lexus certified vehicles go through a rigorous 161-point inspection. They also come with an unlimited mileage warranty for up to 6 years. Your next 4 scheduled maintenances, no matter what the cost in the manual, are all covered 100%. And access to all of Fields Matters amenities are included with complimentary car washes and free cafe for breakfast and lunch.